Hey viewers, welcome to the Red News YouTube channel. When I went into GameStop to pick up Saints Row on Switch, it came with like all this extra stuff. So I wanted to show you guys. They just wrap it up in this plastic, and first of all, I've never seen a Switch come with a slipcover like this, so that's pretty nice. And here's the game. Look like any other Switch box. It's so cool that this game is on Switch, guys. I know it's old, but it's still pretty cool. And then there's all this stuff folded up in like a secondary cover, and I'll actually put that cover on here in a second. I love when they have cover art on the inside. These little Joy-Con grips, they're pretty cool. I have the blue and red Joy-Cons on my Switch, so I don't think I'll use these, but they're pretty cool. And then it came with this poster, which is, a nice little poster. I might put this up in my office. And it came with some kind of cheap stickers, but whatever, they're kind of cool. I don't really know where I'm going to use them, but they're kind of cool. And then it came with this microfiber lens wipe thing. I love the purple, love the logo. I'll probably keep this in my camera bag. And it came with these little, they're like cardboard, honestly. These little cardboard character cards. Shaundi, Johnny Gat. Pierce. And here's that cover, that secondary cover that it came with. I actually really like it. I think I'll keep it on there. Saints Row, the full package. Open it up. Gosh, I love that inside art, guys. That is beautiful. All in all, I just was pleasantly surprised to walk out of GameStop with this little pack. It's almost like a little special edition, and I just appreciated it. So thanks, Volition. And if you like this video, stay tuned for more Red News, and click that subscribe and like button. Thanks, guys. See you next time.